Hi, today we're going to see how to create a liquify effect in Photopea. So the first thing we need to do is to remove the background from our layer here. So go to select and then remove BG. And now here I will need to watch an ad, press OK. So here it is, and now I just need to apply the raster mask. So select the raster mask, right click on it and then click on apply. Now I'm going to create a new layer, click on this icon here. So here it is. Now I'm going to move it down. Now I'm going to hide the women layer. I'm going to select the gradient. And now I'm going to use the white and light gray color gradient. So it will go from white for the foreground and gray for the background. Make sure the direction is radial. And now I'm just going to trace my gradient. So here it is. And now let's show our women layer again. Select the move tool. Check the transform controls. And now I'm going to scale it up. I'm going to place the women here like this. Let's select the move tool again. I'm going to uncheck the transform controls. And now I'm going to duplicate this layer. So right click and then duplicate layer, duplicate the women layer. And now I'm going to desaturate it. So go to image, adjustments, and then select black and white. And now just click OK. And now make sure you're selecting the black and white layer. Go to filter and then select liquify. So make sure the setting here is smudge. So for the size, I'm going to increase it a little bit. I'm going to increase density to 100. And now I'm just going to move the pixels to the right. So here. And now just click OK here. So let's see the preview. And now just click OK to confirm. And now in order to create a new layer from what's visible on your Canva, hold the Alt key, the Shift key, and the Control key, and then press E. So here it is. That's how you can create a liquify effect in Photopea. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and till next time.